Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about how to upgrade Windows 10 version from one version to another version, how best we can create a device configuration profiles. To create device configuration profile, click on create profile and give a meaningful name and choose here Windows 10 and profile type should be the edition, upgrade and mode switch. In this you have the four options to upgrade or edition. You can check out here, and this edition currently is not configured. You can create this entire complete policy and target to specific AD group, Azure AD group in fact. So here you want to upgrade to maybe Windows 10 Pro or Windows Enterprise Edition. You can choose that and give that product key. That would take care. Once you gave the product key, click OK and save it. And once this profile is created, target to the required Azure Active Directory group. That's it. That would automatically upgrades your one version to another version. That's so easy with the profile creation path. Thank you for watching this.